Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to kind of teach you how to create a data table in Google Slides and Google Sheets, not Google Slides, Google Sheets, and then create a graph out of that. In Google, they call that a chart. So what I've done over here is I've kind of started it. This is kind of what your assignment should look like. Over here, right here, these are your days of the month. I only did up to 10. You need to do up to 30. Here is daily max temperature. That's from the weather site. Daily minimum temperature. Again, that's from the weather site. That weather site is www.wonderground.com. From the NOAA site, you've got your maximum climate normals and your minimum climate normals. I simply titled mine New York in October, and this is the data that I found for New York in October. One thing that people run into problems with is they see that the words don't fit in the cell. The simplest way to fix that is to go up here where you get the double-headed arrow, double click, double click, double click, double-headed arrow, double click. Okay. If you go up here, you can highlight your cells, center the text, left, etc. If you want to go here and highlight, you can go here, you can bold them. Remember though, I am not collecting your data table. I am only going to collect your graph and the answers for the graph, the analysis questions. Once you've got all your data plugged in, and remember you're doing 30 days, this is the most important thing. You need to highlight your data. Don't highlight extra. Don't highlight too little. Highlight exactly your data. Insert, chart, and there it is. Okay. I'm going to move this up here. So here's our chart. Now we can do some customization on this, and you'll probably want to. First thing I would do is click change your title. New York in October is perfect. All right. Notice we are missing our axes. So you're going to go to chart and axis titles, not under setup, but under customize, chart and axis titles. Click horizontal axis title. That's the horizontal, that's your X axis. Day of the month. Day of the month shows up. Vertical axis title. Temperature in Fahrenheit shows up over there. Now, one thing that I like is if you click the line, all right, you can change the color. But the biggest thing you want to change is the point shape. Make those, for example, triangles. You can make them a little bigger if you want. Click the yellow line. So there's the yellow dot here. Make those diamonds. Again, make them a little bigger if you want. Click the green line. We'll make those circles. Again, if you want to make them a little bigger. And then you want to click your red line. Pentagons, sure. And again, make them a little bigger. Notice it automatically changes. It automatically changes in your legend as well. All right. So far, so good. This looks pretty good. I'm going to click out of Chart Editor. I'm going to move this over. We've saved it as New York in October. Now, the next thing we need to do is insert this into our analysis questions. I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. And sure, we will just pick something in here. Star Cycle Web. Actually, we'll just do a new one. How about that? New Google Docs. Analysis question answers. Good spelling there, Sepala. Question answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then to insert this, make sure your toolbar is showing. Insert chart from Google Sheets. New York in October. Select. That's the one I want. Double check. Import. You can unclick that. You can click that. It doesn't really matter. And there's your chart. So this is what you're going to turn into me by next Monday. Your 5 analysis question answers as well as the chart. Again, if you have questions, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you with whatever you need.